Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock App Store on iPhone if it's restricted or missing. Now let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll find all the controls for managing your device. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Screen Time lets you control app access, content limits, and other usage restrictions. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's turned off, restrictions aren't blocking the App Store. If it's on, you'll need to adjust the settings. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. This section controls whether apps can be installed or deleted on your iPhone. Make sure both installing apps and deleting apps are set to allow. If they're restricted, you won't be able to access the App Store properly. After making changes, check if the App Store is now visible on your home screen. If not, try restarting your iPhone to refresh the system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more iPhone tips and fixes.